We slept 12 hours last night. Now we're getting ready to head to Gorge. We're a little later than what we wanted to be, but
hasn't rained all morning. See what happens.
We have rain gear.
Things that stick out. What are you doing?
We barely made it out of the apartment building.
Huh? Yeah, it's a friggin' thorn. Is this fun for you?
Kind of is.
Loop, swoop, and pull. Is this a tutorial on how to do your boots?
We have educational videos as well.
Educational videos. Loop, swoop, and pull.
You don't double knot yours? Aye. This is the shot of the Olympic Stadium here. Yeah. First time I've ever seen any Olympic Stadium. Of course, it's from 1936, a few years before I was born. We're 20 minutes out from the gorge.
20 minutes. 20-minute walk.
20 minutes.
Said last 20 minutes ago.
We did not.
I'm pretty sure.
But it's so pretty right here.
I love it.
There's two options to get up to the gorge. You can either walk or you can take a carriage ride. out of the gorge. Walking up this hill. We had to put our rain pants on when we got done at the gorge. Because it has a pretty steady rain falling right now. We only like to hike up mountains, ever. Apparently it's more fun. Whew. Came from way down there. I'll keep going.
Just FYI, if you do come here and you take the high road or the high trail, when you get done out of the gorge, this is the kind of stuff that's downhill. And when it's raining, it's a little slippery. Rocks, roots, that kind of stuff. Just be mindful of it if you come up here.
Okay.
This guy's in jeans and tennis shoes. Not good hiking equipment. And basically, on the way back, if you take the high road, you just basically walk on top of the gorge. And we're back where we started, through the gorge, up and over the gorge. Great time though. What do you feel like, guys? All right, sounds good. There's a good rosé. So we just got done with our little adventure at the Partenkirchen Gorge, and we're on our way home. Temperature dropped, and it's kind of sprinkling. Been a little rainy.
But we found some
Look,
wine and
chickens.
snacks.
Look at that.
And
Chickens. Sorry, that was
Unexpected.
We'll just stop a little random thing there, chickens. All right, so then we stopped at a what was that? Wine store. Little wine store.
We found wine and snacks.
Found wine, snacks. Now we're on our way home and try to get a little warmer. All right. See you then.